I welcome all my lovely viewers to my channel. I welcome back again. See, the thing is, in this video, I'm going to provide a motivation to a Python programming. The thing which is not required a motivation, for that I'm going to provide a motivation. Not for the Python actually, for you. If you are a beginner, if you are seeing this video, this is worth for you. If you are not a beginner, you really know the power of Python programming, so you are seeing this video. The thing is, what makes a Python so much powerful? Why do we want to learn a Python only? Why not other languages? Why only Python? You may have so many doubts in your mind. I know that. But the thing is, it is one of the most fastest growing, one of the popular language. Why so? Because of huge community, because of huge tools and frameworks. Brother, if you are a beginner, if you don't know anything what I'm speaking, you don't worry, man. I'm there for you throughout these episodes, throughout this series of Python. I will teach you everything. I'll make you perfect. The day I finish this series or episodes, that day I will assure you, I will promise you that you know everything about Python programming. This is my guarantee. See, somebody says, nowadays we don't want a programming language because everything is AI tools, ChatGPT, some default tools are there, everything they will generate. Is that really? Yes, they will generate. But the thing is, why do we require a Python programming? First of all, why do we need a coding language? Do you know why? I'll tell you, brother. See, if you don't know the history, you can't create the history. Without knowing the history, you can't create the history. Remember this. Similar way, see, for example, with an example I will provide. If you know 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, what is the meaning of 4? You can tell, you can take a decision. You know what to do with that 4. If you don't know what is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, the result 4, then what are you going to do? If you put something to the ChatGPT, 2 plus 2, you will get 4. If you don't know what is that 4, what you know about that, then what you will do? The similar thing what happens, if you don't know the basic, you can't become the greatest, man. You can't become the greatest. I will tell you with an example, other example actually. See, if you become a king without knowing the struggles of a people, without knowing a proper operational thing, how to control, how to rule the kingdom, what is the use of becoming king? Can you be sustainable? You can't, man. The similar way, if you become a king with knowing all the problems of a people, how can, with a solving capacity, you will become the greatest king and sustainable king. So similar way, you need a basics to become a greatest in anything. To interpret the results. Very simple. You know, Python programming is simple and easy as much as other languages. But comparative to other languages, Python is so simple because fewer lines, so simple lines, we can get a computational output, we can get outputs. We can solve a complex problems. First of all, you tell me who will not use a Python programming? Nobody, man. Nobody like that. Everybody uses a Python programming. I mean, everybody uses the Python programming. Mathematician, software engineer, a developer, maybe take any scientist, data analyst. This is one of the multi-purpose language. AML, used for testing, used for hacking, so many cases, used for many purposes. So it makes Python so powerful because of huge means huge, what we say that, tools and frameworks, and because of huge community, it made a Python so powerful. So remember, dear friends, this channel, you don't want to do anything, brother. You just be in touch with me throughout this series, throughout these episodes. I will promise you that you will definitely get everything what you need. See, if you want a practical knowledge, I will provide. If you want a theoretical knowledge, I will provide. If you want a hands-on, I will provide. If you want a project, I will provide. So the thing is, everything is available with respect to Python, whatever you want. See, if you are a beginner, brother, so simple, brother, just be with me, just follow me. You will become top in your thinking actually with respect to Python. I'll make you that, okay? I will make you that. This is a inauguration video of Python universe of my channel. This is the first episode. Similar way, so many episodes will come. Just be with me. And if you have any doubts, don't forget to comment actually. Comments matters. Comments matters. So by saying this, thank you so much. Thank you one and all. Thank you one and all.